Hi everyone, my name is Krishna Chandra Banjara and this is my YouTube channel. I hope you are having a great day. First of all, I want to say thank you for those who are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and if you are not doing subscribe, I know you will subscribe soon. And today I am going to share you very useful life lesson and save money every week. It doesn't matter how much you save. Listen to your parents. At the end of the day, they are the only one who want the best for you. Read and read. Choose your friend wisely, as you are the product of your environment. Wait to love someone to you. Love yourself first. Learn to be alone and independent is a skill a few can master.